let us start the today's topic, which is the conjugation. A type of genetic recombination in bacteria. At first look at the whiteboard. This is the whiteboard. I think that the diagram on the whiteboard, diagrams on the whiteboard are visible to you. Let me know whether the diagrams are visible to you, which have been which have been sketched on the whiteboard. Let me know. Danish, are you looking on the
Yes, sir.
whiteboard, the diagram which I have drawn to show the process of genetic recombination, which is the conjugation? Here, let us see here that there are three types of strain: F plus strain, F minus strain, and HFR strain. You look here that the F plus strain has the bacterial DNA, which has been represented here in blue ink, and the sex plasmid, which has been represented here in the green ink. So this is that the bacterial cell has a bacterial chromosome, and in addition to the bacterial chromosome, in the F plus strain, there is a sex plasmid, which is known as the fertility factor, is present. And in case of F minus strain, there is complete absence of this fertility factor. This strain is F minus strain, and it acts as the recipient cell, and F plus acts as the donor and the donor cell. And there is another type which is known as HFR. HFR stands for high frequency of recombination. In this case, the sex plasmid, which is the fertility factor, gets integrated into the bacterial chromosome, and this is the structure which shows that the fertility factor has in the bacterial chromosome. And this such type of strain is known as HFR strain. And you should know here that these two form, F plus strain and F minus strains, are interconvertible when this sex plasmid or fertility factor gets integrated in the bacterial chromosome. And this HFR strain can revert back to its original form due to the excision of this fertility factor. So in totality, there are three types of strain of the bacteria: F plus strain, HFR strain, and F strain. Now let us see at there are three types of conjugation on this vacuum. One is the conjugation between the F plus and F minus strain, and the conjugation F plus and F between HFR and F minus strain. See here, what happens here? That this in first type of conjugation, it takes place between F plus strain and F minus strain. Here, what happens? The F plus strain, look here, plus has a six embryo you have, and F minus and one another. This F plus N on coming in contact with the F and F minus N different tubular structure. After the formation of conjugation, one copy of sex fertility factor undergoes replication, and one fertility factor is transferred through this conjugation to the F minus. And finally, the F minus strain is converted at the end of conjugation between the F plus and F minus strain. The F minus strain gets converted into F plus strain. So now let us see. I think you might have seen this diagram. Let us see important points of the conjugation. In case of conjugation, there is a requirement of physical contact between the donor and recipient cell. You know that in case of transplantation, there is no requirement of physical contact between the donor and recipient cell. And in case of transduction, there is no requirement of physical contact between the donor and recipient cell. But in case of conjugation, there is requirement of physical contact between the donor and recipient cell. If differentiate these three types of recombination in bacteria, you will have to say that transformation is a direct transfer of genetic material from the donor to the recipient cell without any physical contact. In case of the transduction, there is a virus-mediated gene transfer from the donor to the recipient cell without any physical contact between the donor and recipient. But the conjugation requires the physical contact. Without physical contact between the donor and recipient cell, no conjugation can take place. So conjugation is different from the transformation and transduction in this sense that there is requirement of physical contact between the donor and recipient cell, just like the sexual reproduction. You know that in case of sexual reproduction, because there is a physical contact between the male and female sexual partner. Similarly, in case of the requirement of physical contact between the donor and recipient cell. So there are three types of conjugation. This was first reported by Lederberg and Todd 1946 in कोली में ई कोलाई में ये रिपोर्ट हुआ था सबसे पहले. And this conjugation is of three types. The conjugation three types हो सकता है. The conjugation may take place between F plus and F minus strain. Conjugation may take place between HFR and F minus strain, and conjugation may take place between F prime and F minus strain. So there are three types of conjugation, and the third type, when the conjugation takes place in the F prime and F minus, this specialized type of conjugation is known as sexduction, which we will study in the next lecture. Today we are studying the conjugation. This conjugation is very important. Conjugation is also known as parasexual reproduction. You know that the prokaryotic cell do not reproduce by the sexual means; they reproduce only by the asexual means. As for example, bacteria multiply themselves by the process of binary fission. They may form the endospore, but the bacteria and other prokaryotic cells do not reproduce by the sexual means. But you know that if there is absence of sexual reproduction, there can in such cases where the sexual reproduction is absent, genetic recombination. You know that this genetic recombination is very important for causing variation, and variation are very important for causing evolution. In this way, in the absence of the sexual reproduction in fact, they use the process of various means for the genetic recombination like and conjugation. And conjugation is very close to sexual reproduction. Conjugation has some similarity with the means that the sexual reproduction and conjugation require physical contact, but zygote, there is formation of gametic bacteria, there is formation of gametic product. But this is the important method of genetic recombination in which here is the conjugation. And conjugation for this conjugation there is physical requirement. And again, I want to repeat the main point that the bacterial strains are F plus strain. And what is F plus strain? I have already discussed this. F plus strain means such bacterial strain which has a special plasmid, which is a special 6 plasmid, which is also known as fertility factor. The bacterial cell having the fertility factor male act as the donor, whereas the bacterial cell this plasmid or fertility factor act as female cell or recipient cell. And F plus strain and F come in very close contact. Of the conjugation tube in between the F plus and F minus strain, through which the transfer of genetic material from donor to the recipient take place. So such type of genetic recombination which takes place between the donor and recipient through the conjugation tube is known as the conjugation. The second strain is the HFR strain. What is HFR strain? HFR stands for high frequency of recombination. H for high, F for frequency, R for recombination. When the fertility factor gets integrated into the bacterial chromosome, when the fertility factor gets incorporated in the bacterial chromosome, it forms the HFR strain, high fertility strain, and F plus strain and HFR strains are interchangeable. F plus strain can change into HFR and HFR can revert back to the F plus strain. When the sex plasmid gets integrated into the bacterial chromosome, it forms HFR, and when this sex plasmid gets removed, gets excised from the bacterial chromosome, it again forms the F plus strain. So this F plus and HFR strains are interchangeable, and HFR strain is also known as super male, and A plus strain acts as male, and HFR acts as a super male. So there are two very common types of conjugation: conjugation between F plus and F minus, and conjugation between HFR and F minus. F minus strain always acts as the recipient cell, and recipient cell like female cell, and this F plus strain on coming in contact with the F minus strain converts the F minus strain also in F plus strain. But when the conjugation takes place between HFR and F minus strain always remain as the recipient cell. It never gets converted into F plus strain. But in case of conjugation between F plus and F minus strain, the F minus strain also gets converted into F plus strain, that is the donor cell. So this is all about the conjugation between F plus and F minus strain, and conjugation between HFR and F minus strain. I will upload a note on this I have already uploaded the notes on the transformation and transduction. Today I will upload a notes on this conjugation, and in the next lecture we will study the specialized type of conjugation which is known as a sexduction. In the next lecture on Monday, I have already uploaded the new routine of the biotechnology department. Milind, सुन रहे हो? मिलिंद, शशि, डिपार्टमेंट का नया रूटीन जो है, डिपार्टमेंट का नया रूटीन हम अपलोडेड है, नया रूटीन